Okay, you want a little tips, tricks?
Guys, so check this out. We are about to drill into a barrel. It's going to be my first barrel drill. I'm here at the Blendery. This is Whiskey TV, by the way.
Do you want to just do it on your own?
No.
And find out why
well,
you don't do it
this
your
is, well, I'm doing it your way. But food for thought. And a couple things Tim's going to teach us and walk us through if you've forgotten. Nail. Definitely need a nail. Second thing is...
I was gonna let you figure that out.
No. I'm not stupid. You know how many times I've watched him have a nail in his mouth, and he's like, "Are you ready? You got to catch it," and then boom, 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 put it in there. Take a little light hammer. Oh, be careful, man, and crack it back. Now, a couple things. How do you know where to drill on a barrel? Clearly, you know the yield oftentimes. But where do you drill first, and where do you not drill?
So you don't want to drill in the middle of the staves. So these are tongue and groove staves. So you don't want to drill that because it's likely to leak. So you take the middle of a stave, kind of. So I would drill like right there.
That would be the best spot.
So if it was super low.
So this one's more easy to read. So you're saying like if we were drilling, it'd be like right here or right there.
Yeah, it'd be
at the start.
Be right there. Yep.
Food for thought. So people, I didn't know that. Again, based on this barrel house, and it seems like others we've been in.
And if nothing comes out, so if you hear the gurgling, like it's sucking in air, then you plug that back up just with your fingers fine, and then you'll have to drill an air hole, and then you'll hear a bunch of air sucking in, and then when that stops, when you move your finger, then it'll come out.
Now, who came up with, or how did you know to drill? And I'm saying this because the way this is structured, you can't always get to the side bung, right? So drilling became a solution and a tight space.
It's a good solution if you want to taste barrels often.
Yeah.
Because then you can pull the nail, replace the nail. So I think a guy named Vinny came up with it.
Literally?
Yeah, because they called it a Vinny nail.
See?
So these are stainless steel nails.
And why does it have to be stainless steel?
Because any other nail will corrode and rust, and it would not. You don't want to drink that. So
rusted whiskey. I never heard of that.
It's not gonna change the integrity at all, which is why we dump it into stainless, because it doesn't change anything. It's easy to clean. It can't be stained. You know.
Can't be stained.
So I would say go ahead and drill that in. So the stave's about 1 inch deep. So I go about 1/2 inch in, then I pull out. So don't go all the way. So that just gets some of the
about right here?
out. No, that would be more than 1/2 inch.
Oh, I see what you're saying, like right there.
Yeah. So go in a little bit, then go out, and then out. Okay. Now go in all the way.
So you're doing
that just gets some of the shavings and stuff out of the way, because then if you're like this, you don't want.
See, I never asked this, so now there's no wood chips.
Yeah, and this barrel specifically has some things that I wouldn't put in my mouth. So now that it's a clean hole, essentially,
you can go all the way in and come back out and be safe.
I don't feel bad about it. Yeah. Okay. So now.
You ready? This is how he does people. You ready to catch this?
Yeah. There you go.
Boom! Look at that. Drill me first barrel. Here we go.
Push that in. That's enough to hold it. So if we need to pull it out, then we can pull it out.
And now what is this whiskey?
So this is a fit, and he's got that smirk on his face.
Hey, he's like a bad kid.
I love this whiskey.
He's showing up like when Christmas time, when somebody's like, "Oh, y'all cooking? That's crazy. I didn't know that. I could just smell it from across the way. I sure would hope to get a plate, buddy."
So is this a short barrel rye, like a 9-year rye that we added some of that like crazy funky 95 corn?
It's
Scarecrow
95
one?
corn or 99 corn.
The Scarecrow?
But yeah, Scarecrow barrel, and then we picked a 95.5 rye to complement the wintergreen note that we were.
This is the Scarecrow barrel?
No, this was Kodiak Cowboy.
This
is
that's why you're looking like a bad kid.
That's why I was smiling.
For those Jackson fans out there, you can't win. You remember that? Oh, you never seen the odds, have you?
Man. Those are pretty badass. Man, that's
2 for 2 on that. You 2 for 2, right? You go, ain't gonna hear that, be like, "Oh, he tripping again." Guys, well, a couple things. Where we at time-wise?
We still have 3 minutes, man.
Oh, perfect. Again, we're doing some rolling 8s just to keep the Whiskey TV a thing.
Buddy.
If you're here watching Whiskey TV,
wow.
It's these little things that go a long way, and it's learning about how to.
No.
Oh, okay.
That's a good face.
Yeah.
I like it so much.
Funky fresh. Yeah.
He's making that stank face like, oh my God, why is it so good?
Wow,
There's more funk on it than there was last week too.
man. I'd be okay with another week of funk even.
Yeah. It comes in on the finish, so
That's good. That's a good
it's
whiskey,
got
man.
it's got that Kodiak stuff
Yeah,
that
yeah.
like, yeah.
yeah.
Oh, and I can't smell it, but I tasted
Really
it all.
good. Yeah, it's awesome. And that's like a super soft rye too. I wouldn't
A soft rye, what does that mean?
drinks more sweeter, more like a bourbon.
I definitely could taste the sugar on it. Like,
Yeah,
I
it's,
feel like the corn helped.
I don't know. I don't know if I would guess that that's a rye.
I could taste the rye, but I get what he's saying because it
It's
felt like there was
changing.
almost some caramelized sugar in my mouth somewhere. Look at him, he's having a fit.
There's a sweet apple
pretty
note that's
cool.
killer.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, I think maybe one more week on that, and then it's ready.
I
Yeah,
like
that's
it.
got that weird thing to it, man. In a good way. It's
I
like,
like
It
Yeah.
tastes a little toasted.
ah,
That cinnamon cedar toast note at the
yeah,
end.
we have
Yeah,
that cedar toast. That's
Yeah.
a good way to put it. That wood, old woody.
The,
Yeah.
the cedar came from the Kodiak Cowboy.
All the
Yeah,
barrel,
that's
because that's
nice.
the barrel itself,
Yeah,
literally.
that's super cool.
And the rye changed the wintergreen note on the Cowboy a little bit. It made it a little less.
I'm not getting any wintergreen on
Well,
this.
guys,
You don't get
let me
mint
give
or
you
wintergreen
perspective
on the
on here.
backside?
As we
Mint,
continue
yeah.
to walk you through the Blendery's journey, our journey as a part of the Blendery, part of the things that you heard Tim say in other episodes, we have a behind-the-scenes look in terms of permission and capabilities to literally dig, and even more importantly, learn, and share as much as we can. And part of that is literally making sure we take care of the barrels. What we just learned is that this nail allows him the opportunity to come back and taste consistently without having to jump on this.
It's very easy for us to pull a nail, try it, put the nail back,
Yeah.
versus getting up there, pulling the bong, pulling. Like,
It's-
it's very easy. We wouldn't
and-
want to fill bottles that way, but that tells us if it's ready to be pulled down.
And keep in mind, because normally they're capturing whiskey, aka lightning in a bottle, it takes finding it almost on the perfect day. And in his case, he likes that day where he gets, well, he can walk you through that in another video, but he just wants to make sure that the emotion connected to this journey is complete. So when he says, okay, that's ready to go, it's like, oh, they're gonna like this because he likes it and he holds whiskey to the highest standard. But this right here, stainless nail.
So now hit it about another inch in, because it becomes kind of a hazard.
Oh, yeah.
That's sticking out.
Okay.
Okay. What about eight swings of the hammer on that?
Oh, I don't, I'm trying to be delicate. I don't want to tear it up. Stay tuned, people. Keep it whiskey. Thank you for watching Whiskey TV. In the next episode, we'll be digging into something else.
I like that.